Howdy everybody, my name is Sadie and I am the videography chief for A-Line magazine. As some of you may know, the print issue for this season is rapidly approaching us, and the theme for our print issue for fall 2020 is Golden Hour. So I thought that I would incorporate our print issue theme in today's video. I am going to be doing a very whimsical, artistic, Golden Hour inspired makeup look. Eyeshadow is definitely my favorite thing to work with whenever I'm doing makeup. It allows me to be super creative. Super excited to be doing a sunshiny golden hour inspired eye look today. Okay, so let's get into it. But first, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We put out new videos every single week relating to fashion, beauty, and lifestyle content. Okay, so I decided to do my base off camera because I really wanted the focal point of this video to be on the eyes and how we're going to be incorporating that golden hour sunny look. So what I'm thinking for today is I'm going to do kind of like a sunshine cut crease. I have some gold eyeliner as well that I'm so excited to use. I'm going to try and incorporate some peachy tones because I feel like gold and peach are just kind of like besties. They work really well together. Okay, so let's get into it. I am going to be starting off this entire look with a peachy transition shade. We can just begin to go in with this. I am putting this shade all over my lid. Okay, so we have the eye base shade done. So now I'm going to go ahead and do the underneath parts of my eyes for shadow. So I'm going to go ahead and take that orange color and place it lightly in the bottom part of my eye. There's not as much product left on that brush. You can just take it whole. For the next part of this look, I'm going to go ahead and line my under eyes with this super gorgeous gold. Okay, you guys, so next up, I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. All you need to cut your crease, I know it can be a little intimidating at first, but you just need a flat paddle brush like so. Today I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And here I'm setting that cut of my crease with a golden shimmery bright yellow shadow. And I am just packing that shadow on pretty heavily so we can get a bright pigment there. We really want this eye look to be super fun, bright, and goldeny. So here is our first cut crease. So the next thing I'm going to do is put some sun rays on this sunshine eye. So as you can see, I decided to do more of an abstract sun-inspired look. It's super whimsical. Right now I'm just cutting the crease sort of for those sun rays. Sun-like fiery transition off to the end. So here's what we have going on so far. Now I'm going to add something on the bottom. Okay, you guys, here we have the final cut of this look. I know it looks super crazy right now, but I promise once we put the color down, it will all come together super well. So here's what we have going on right now. It'll look so much better in a second. I just have to blend and define the flames. And I'm going to go ahead off camera and finish the other eye. Here is the finished look. I had so much fun creating this golden hour sunshine inspired eye look for everybody this week. I included these pictures here at the end just to give a more cohesive glance at how the entire face turned out. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.